Okay, we're right here. Here's 8571. And look at this view. This is our view.
Our view.
How amazing.
Alrighty. Come on in. Oh, we're connected. We have a connected.
Okay, room tour.
Room tour.
All right, so we have the seating area. So we have a nice, comfortable little club chair. We have a sofa, and I bet you that makes into a bed. Another chair here.
Big, beautiful
Wow.
TV. I thought they were supposed to have the TV on for you, though.
They usually do, but they did have a light on. A credenza here, and that is going to have a. Here, open that up, Jace. I bet there's a mini fridge. Yep, there's a mini fridge.
Got a mini fridge right here. Okay.
Lots of storage.
Lots of storage space. Lots of drawers and stuff. So you get basically a full living room with a pull-out sofa, 2 chairs, 2 tables. You got a granite table over here to sit down at.
Nice. Oh, look at the artwork.
This looks like about a, what?
50
inch
55.
TV. Yeah, and then check out the bathroom.
Oh, show the.
So it has the like these
barn doors.
Barn door kind of deal. You open it up. The bathroom's very, very nice.
Oh my.
Yeah.
These are all new refurb rooms. I do know that.
So you have nice amount of storage down here under both sinks. Okay. And then you got some more storage up here. Shelves.
Open the wardrobe.
And then you got your, where you can hang all of your clothes. Then you got
ironing board.
Space down here. You got space here for shoes. You got
Extra
some extra bedding. And the bathroom looks pretty amazing.
Wow.
Wow, so you got a beautiful tiled shower.
Wow.
You want to look this way.
It's got a rain head.
Got a rain head.
Oh my god.
Has this, and then you can push this button here, and then it'll go, or loosen this up, and it'll go up or down. You just tighten it up however you want it. And you got a tub, and then over here you got your Disney
H2O
revitalizing shampoo,
conditioner, and body wash.
When is Disney gonna get with it and get some volumizer?
And then look, also look, there's a vanity kit, which a vanity kit contains beauty essentials, okay, cotton swabs and stuff like that. We have some cooling aloe gel, body lotion, mouthwash, shower cap, and then soap. So all of this comes
and if you really want to look at yourself close,
hey, us girls use those.
You can use
That's a makeup mirror.
I would never use it.
It's a makeup mirror.
I want to see myself
and they're
as
awesome.
As possible.
Okay, we haven't even seen the bedroom yet.
Light, look.
Oh, it lights up? Cool.
Disco party.
Oh my god. Okay, so now, here, let me take the backpack off. Hang on. Okay, so now here's the bedroom.
Sweet.
Whoa. Whoa. So it's a king-size bed.
King bed. I'm not
another chair.
We have a
queen at home.
So we're not even going to be able to fill each other in the bed.
Another 55, 60-inch TV.
And look at this. Another bathroom. There's the bathroom goes all the way. That's another bathroom. We have 2 bathrooms.
Oh my god.
And
it's a handicapped bathroom.
Handicapped shower.
Wow. This is like the Mac Daddy Deluxe suite.
Oh, come on in. So I've never had this much room.
It's a handicap room, baby. Yeah, that's why.
I'm just saying I've never.
Yeah. This is so nice.
And then look right here. You have now. This is what the standard room. Basically, what you're seeing right here, with the exception of, you would have 2. Yeah, you can see the 2 sinks here. That bathroom over there, in this room,
is a standard room.
Would be a standard room.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what the standard rooms now after the remodel looks like, with this granite coffee maker, the TV, the bed, you know. So this is cool.
And open that up. Let's see if...
You know, of course, some rooms have two queens or two fulls, and this one has a king.
Another mini fridge.
So you have two mini fridges. You have, and you got your Keurig for your coffee. But this is nice. This makes brewing coffee very...
Yeah, and look, and you've got actual mugs.
Very easy in the morning with these little Keurig cups. For all you coffee drinkers, you know what I'm talking about. When you first wake up in the morning, you don't want to have to hassle with too much. This is a nice little coffee pot. You got a little seating area here, and you got some more space here. Got your Bible, and lots of charging ports.
Oh yeah, there are.
You got USB on the lamps right here and here, and you got charging stations.
So basically, this is equivalent of a 2-bedroom suite, because you've got this room and bathroom, and then that room makes into a bed with its own bathroom.
So if I misbehave, I'm getting kicked out. She's gonna throw me in this room, and put me on that couch. I better watch it. Shouldn't I? I should watch it. I should watch myself. I think I'll be okay.
Yeah.
Also in the bathroom, you got this
second closet.
You got some more hanging spaces here with hair dryer.
Yeah, and
for
a
all
safe.
you ladies that blow dry your hair.
I'd be one of those.
Is this a good hair dryer or
It's
not?
a decent hair dryer.
It's an Andes.
Yeah.
1875 watt. Super sonic.
It'll get the job done.
Ionic hair dryer.
Ooh.
To get the job done for you ladies fast, so we can get to rope drop.
That's right.
Quickly.
And there's the safe, and it's a big safe. It's not. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a big safe, because some of these rooms have little bitty safes. That is a big safe. You can fit like a couple of computers in there.
Oh yeah. Okay,
so what do you think, Jace?
Guys, yeah, this is a suite tour with the Handicapped Bathroom. I don't know when you're ever going to see another one of these, but look at this. The door closes by itself. Watch this. It's pretty cool. It's all about the little things. Watch. Good old Disney. Disney thinks ahead. They don't want the doors knocking and clacking
And we got Mickey towels on the bed and a letter, which I will read that up in a second. When you're curious, you find lots of interesting things to do. Dreaming is what we do best. Thank you for sharing in our dream. Aww. We just discovered more light switches. So we had to figure out how to turn the fans on. And so then Jason found that there's these lights that light up above the bed.
A little uplighting there.
Ooh.
Fancy schmancy.
And look at these. These are reading lights.
Yep. And they're bright too.
And all you have to do is pull them out from the wall and they turn on.
They're super bright.
That is so cool.
Yeah, they're really...
Oh, that fan feels phenomenal.
Yeah, the fan actually works really good. It does its job.
Yeah, and we just cranked the air down.
So, the room tour is not complete EECC travel style until we do the swan dive into the bed. So here we go. Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
That was amazing. Yep.
That felt amazing. The bed's soft.
That was amazing.
Soft landing.
Good job, honey. Well, hello there.
Howdy.
So we were wondering when we walked up why this door didn't have a number on it. Well, that's why, because it's our door too.
We were looking, we were counting down. I was like, oh, this has got to be it.
Yeah, because that's 70.
There was no number on it.
And we're like, empty door.
Right,
71, okay.